Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, how to become a Helium10 affiliate partner. So if you're not familiar with Helium10, it's a comprehensive suite tool designed to help Amazon sellers succeed. As an affiliate partner, you can earn generous commissions by promoting their software and services. So if you're interested in monetizing your affiliate marketing efforts, let's dive in and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, make sure to go to the URL section and simply type Helium10 affiliates program, or no need even to add program, just add affiliates. And as you can see, you'll find in this first link, welcome to Helium10 affiliates program. Of course, if you open the first link, you will have to wait a bit until they check if your connection is secure. It should not take a lot of time, maybe 10 to 20 seconds. So simply you'll have to wait until they check for that. And of course, we will have to sign up for the Helium10 affiliates program. So once we visit the Helium10 website affiliates program, of course, you will have to click on yes, I want to sign up. As you can see, we pay 25% lifetime commissions for every conversion you make. So that means you get paid every month. And as you can see here, it gets paid to promote the leading software for Amazon sellers and unlock bonuses, including cash bonuses, and plus you can earn your very own dream car if you want to, and a lot of other informations if you want to know. Simply just scroll down here and you'll be able to read all of this. So make sure to go on whatever applies. An example here, ready to become a Helium10 affiliate. So simply click apply below to become a Helium10 affiliate. So click on apply now, and that will open a new tab for you. As you can see, they are going to tell you here some information about Helium10, so make sure to go and read them. And of course, here, as you can see, you will have to fill out this form to get started. So submit your contracts information below, and we will follow you or follow up via email or phone. So simply, you will have to put first name, last name. For me, I'm just going to put random things here, but of course for you, make sure to put accurate thing. And here you'll have to put the company name or DBA. So simply it's going to be Tess again, and the email as an example, it's just going to be like tess@gmail.com here, and the phone number, I'm just going to do something like that. And the country here, of course, make sure to enter your country. As an example, just do this. And as you can see, size of your social media followers. As an example, in your Instagram or your TikTok, you have 100k or 1 million. So make sure to type it here. As an example, we have maybe like something like that. So why not? And here you'll have to enter your website or main social. So as an example, if you have a website, you can simply paste the link of your website here. If you have an Instagram account, make sure, as an example, let's say we have an Instagram account. So instagram.com/test. Of course, you'll have to simply type dot 3 times dot the social media accounts. As an example, if you have a TikTok, make sure to write here TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is, then slash, and make sure to type your name or username right there. And of course, have someone or has someone refers to you this to apply to Helium10. If someone did, make sure to type it here. If no one, type here no one, and you will be good to go. And as you can see, make sure to agree to the Helium10 make contracts at the email address or phone number above. So you'll have to check this so they can contact you to your email address or phone number. As you can see, if you need any more information, you can contact them by your own. As an example, you'll find the email here, and here we go. We can simply hit the submit button, and we will have to wait. Once you hit submit, you'll have to wait, as I said, so they can see your application and approve it. And of course, while waiting for your application to be approved, take some time to familiarize yourself with Helium's Sense tool and features. Of course, you can explore their products, research, keyword research, inventory management, and other tools designed to optimize Amazon selling, and understanding their functionality will help you effectively promote them. So simply, you can, as an example, go and type Helium10 in a new tab, and go to the first link. And as I said, create an account for yourself and familiarize yourself here. And of course, once approved as a Helium 10 affiliate, it's time to create a valuable and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Consider producing like tutorials, case studies, or success stories that showcase the benefits of using Helium 10 with Amazon selling, and incorporate your affiliate links to track referrals. And make sure to do not lie. Make sure to have your own or real review. So if it's something bad for your followers, make sure to not scam them or something like that. And of course, you'll have to even promote your Helium 10 through your marketing channels. So utilize the marketing channels such as your blog if you have one, YouTube channel if you have one, your social media platforms, or even email lists to promote Helium 10. And of course, you can share your content, actively highlight your how Helium 10 can help Amazon sellers improve their business, and remember to disclose your affiliates relationship transparently. And make sure to track your affiliates performance and optimize it. So keep track of your affiliates performance using Helium 10 affiliate dashboard. You can simply go and log in into your partner account, and you'll be able to track your performance on the dashboard or the reporting tool. Of course, you can even monitor your click conversions and commissions earned, analyze the data to identify the most effective promoting strategies, and optimize your approach accordingly. And of course, you can even explore advanced strategies to boost earning. So once you establish a foundation, explore advanced strategies to maximize your earnings as a Helium 10 affiliate. So consider partnering with others influencers as an example, because this helps a lot. And in the Amazon, of course, selling space, or you can do some guest posting or relevant blogs or something like that, or even running paid advertisement campaigns to expand your search or reach and attract new customers, because your followers will not be enough with the time, because maybe your followers follow you for other things, so you will have to go and attract new customers or new followers to the Helium 10. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to become a Helium 10 affiliates partner and potentially earn commissions by promoting their powerful suite of tools. So remember to provide a value to your audience and stay consistent and continuously optimize your promotional efforts. And of course, the Helium 10 affiliates program offers a great opportunity to generate an income in affiliates marketing space. So make sure to take the chance for your own. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel. And happy affiliates marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.